This tutorial will guide you how to remove or uninstall Perfect Asmer TD Launcher on your Android phone. Now ensure that you follow these instructions very carefully. Now first, go into your settings by scrolling up here and then tap the gear icon to open up your Android settings. Now once you open settings, scroll down and select on apps. Click on apps. Now search for Perfect. So also search for Perfect, it will suggest you Perfect Asmer TD Launcher. Now tap on it, then tap on home screen and ensure that you set your home screen to a default home app. Now the default home app for my Samsung phone is One UI Home. This will depend on the phone that you're using, but for Samsung is normally One UI Home. So select your default home app. Once you select the default home app, you will see the home screen will change into a default one. Now tap again on your settings, scroll down and select on apps again. Now search here for Perfect. Tap on Perfect Asmer TD Launcher. You'll see an option to uninstall. So select uninstall and then click OK. You'll be able to uninstall the Perfect Asmer TD Launcher. Alternatively, you can go to the Play Store. You'll see an option here, uninstall. If you click uninstall, just select uninstall again, and the Perfect Asmer TD Launcher app will be uninstalled on your Android phone. So that's it. It's very easy. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.